2013 Lexus RX350 dual-zone HVAC acting up. Someone tried a shortcut and it backfired. Here's the fast, correct way. What went wrong, what to do, and how to prove the fix. Fast, clear version. Follow these 5 steps. TLDR, don't cut the box. Follow the proper process. This RX uses a combined module with 2 servos, mode and passenger temp. It drives multiple tiny door pins that must align precisely. It lives behind the blower housing. You can't access or align it properly in car. The failed shortcut, cutting the HVAC case to sneak it out. That risks plastic damage, debris in the box, and crucial pin misalignment. Result, wrong airflow, clicking, and no reliable movement. Bottom line, don't cut the box. You'll create more problems than you fix. The original attempt didn't set the doors or the actuator to service positions before mating. Being off by even 1 tooth means the module engages the wrong door at the wrong angle. They later admitted they hadn't preset the actuator, then used a donor car to index it. That recovered function, but it's messy. There's a clean bench process that's better. Use methodology, not shortcuts. It saves time and parts in the long run. Always follow the repair manual for service index positions before you mate components. If the actuator is bad or the linkage is damaged, the right move is pull the HVAC case. Yes, it's a dash-out job. Trying to swap and align it in-car almost guarantees broken plastics. Repeat labor and broken trim are the usual outcome of in-car shortcuts. Spend the labor once, pull the box and do it right. Diagnosis before removal. Do these 4 checks first. 1. Scan and save HVAC body codes and freeze frame data. 2. Command test the actuator with a bi-directional scan tool. Listen for clicking, watch sweep. 3. Connector check. Verify power, ground, signal, and wiggle the harness while testing. 4. Mechanical check. Inspect for cracked gears, link arms, or evidence of cutting. Clarifier. Full logic testing often requires the vehicle network present. On the bench, rotate each door to the specified manual position. Set the actuator to its install index. Don't randomly power it. Then align pins AF into their slots. It should seat without force. Torque to spec. Any resistance means something is misindexed. Recheck before install. If it seats cleanly, you're ready to reassemble with confidence. There are early, late, and hybrid variants. Match by VIN or part number. Wiring colors can repeat. Follow the wiring diagram. Don't assume connector equals sign submotor. Double check part numbers. Lookalikes will trap you. After reassembly, do a relearn. Key off, pull HVAC's AC fuse about 10 seconds. Key on, engine off. Hands-off controls for roughly 60 seconds while the actuator's home. Cycle modes and temps end-to-end to confirm full sweep and correct vent changes. Clear codes, rescan, and save the verification report. Finish with a proof. Command the sweep and film the vents changing to show the fix. Keep the test log and a short video as proof for the owner. Use stage bins and bolt counts so nothing's left over. Root harnesses exactly. Some loose plugs are unused option connectors. Verify with diagram. This is a pro-level job. Doing it right once costs less than chasing rattles and broken trim. Do the checklist. Bolts, harness routing, relearn, and proof. That's the fast, clear version. Diagnosis checklist, alignment visuals, and relearn notes are in the description. Like and subscribe if this saved you hours. Final tip, don't cut the box. Do the job right once.